Bitcoin Cash is expected to rise 3.4% by tomorrow, 30 rates analysis shows. First, let's go over the latest move we've seen in the market. Bitcoin Cash is currently seeing a 5% uptick and is hovering near $462.20. Let's look at the forecast from each analyst. 30 Rates believes the price could reach $477 by March 6, with an estimated gain of nearly 3.4%. Bitcoin Cash might approach $468.52 according to Digital Coin Price, a projected increase of 1.5%. Crypto Predictions points out it could move lower to $458.19, about 0.7% beneath current levels. Another estimate by Gov Capital Collector shows Bitcoin Cash might retreat to $454.09, a loss close to 1.6%. And to end, Traders Union expects the asset at $442.10 by March 6, 4.2% lower. This is the most profitable prediction reviewed. Forecasts are in. Let's see what the data says next. Let's take a closer look at what each forecast could return. According to the forecast provided, the possible change in price extends from a decline of 4.2% to a rise of 3.4%, depending on the analyst. After comparing all five, Traders Union leads with 4.2% gain in value by March 6. Put simply, you could come away with between $7 and $42 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probability, Crypto Predictions ranks highest with a 93.1% chance of success. From the total set of forecasts, I've put forward one consensus picture. The combined forecast position Bitcoin Cash at nearly $459.98. Let's break it down. The consensus projection indicates a 0.3% drop in price. To summarize clearly, your capital might also go up by around 0.3% if the trend follows through. On 1,000, this could line up with a possible $3 increase. Based on the consensus, the probability for this outcome stands near 94.3%. Here we go. Let's see what kind of short-term moves analysts are forecasting across the 3-day period. 30 Rates signals the price is following an ascending path. The view from Digital Coin Price is similarly bullish for the short term. Crypto Predictions expects the price to slump further. A move higher is suggested by Gov Capital Collector. Traders Union sees Bitcoin Cash trending lower. Consensus projections point to a weaker market for Bitcoin Cash over the next 3 days. Summing it up, the balance of forecasts is bullish, with Bitcoin Cash likely to follow a rising course. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago for the following day. Now that it's behind us, we can check the results. As a result, the daily candle closed at $467.50. With the market moving this way, the majority of forecasts were correct. Traders Union delivered the most accurate forecast. Now let's set it in order. Yesterday's close confirmed 2 forecasts inside the candle. Regarding ROI, several forecasts showed positive returns and the best result hit 5.5%. Up next is the performance table. See how the forecasts actually played out. In the data, Traders Union shows 72.9% forecast probability and 3.7% ROI. Take a closer look and notice whose forecast stayed closest to the actual move. Now we'll see how Bitcoin Cash stands in tomorrow's expected returns compared with a few others. Tomorrow's leading asset is Chainlink with 1.9% in forecasted profitability, placing it above Bitcoin Cash. Right now, Bitcoin Cash is shown with 4 cryptocurrencies, while a far larger group will be available for analysis on my website soon. If today's analysis was helpful, tap like and subscribe. New forecasts come every day. See you next time, guys.